Good morning, this is Graham Norris and this is video 20 in the video series How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Today we cover Principle 20, Dramatize Your Ideas. You ever say something important and it completely falls flat? Like you just dropped the truth bomb and everybody's like, cool story, bro. Here's the fix. Dramatize your ideas. Don't just tell people, show them. Make it visual, make it emotional, make it unforgettable. Imagine you're trying to convince your friend to stop eating junk food. You could say, hey, that stuff's bad for your heart. Nah, not convincing. Or you could walk in wearing a fake lab coat, hold up a donut, and say, this is your heart on Krispy Kreme. Any questions? Suddenly, message received. Dale Carnegie understood this. Facts tell, stories sell. Drama persuades. If you want to influence others, wrap your idea in a story, an object, a metaphor, everything that helps them see it. It's the difference between saying our business is growing versus we just went from a garden hose to a fire hydrant and the leads are still pouring in. Paint the picture. Telling a spouse I clean the kitchen is nice, but lighting candles, playing romantic music, and whispering I did the dishes for you, that's dramatizing your idea. Warning, results may vary. Here's how to use this in real life. Use props, use stories, use emotion. Speak with energy and expression. Want somebody to take action? Let them feel your message, not just hear it. Want to get better at making your ideas stick? Comment interested below and I'll send you a private invite to our daily weekday 7 p.m. Zoom mastermind where we actually practice this stuff. You'll learn how to inspire and not just inform. Don't just give people facts, give them a show. Because when they see it, they believe it. And when they believe it, they act. We'll see you on video 21. It's going to be a good one.